Here's the mouthpiece crystal of a clarinet. This is a clarinet reed. Okay, here's how you wet a clarinet reed. Well, actually from the back side. And the front side in front, like this. The back side, the front side. Make sure you got a reed that is not make sure you got a reed that is not not bad. Like this one, ought to have a different reed because it's rippled. So I'm going to use it to only illustrate, but this is the reed should be completely unrippled. So okay, here about 2-3 minutes in the mouth. Here's a ligature. Line up the reed like so. Okay. Line up the reed like this. So it's more like this. And to put your thumb, make sure it's lined up like this. And put the reed, make sure it's lined up perfectly. The ligature with the thumb underneath here, into here. Loosen the ligature up. Like so, like this. And tighten up the ligature. And blow into the clarinet with bottom lip underneath the like this. And make a sound on a clarinet reed, making sure everything is leveled up, perfectly aligned like this. That's better. So that's how the mouthpiece works.